I got my little pitchfork out here and I turned that over. I worked on that some last fall to prepare it. I'm going to put my onions in there. I'm going to get my onion sets tomorrow when I go out to town. But my garlic's doing good. It's doing real good. It's all the way up through here, except for where my goat just chewed it up. I put my rhubarb here last year, so I'm hoping that stuff comes up. Pulled this back. I just covered it back up the other day because we had all that rain. I wanted it to rain on it. This here's my beets. So they're coming up. All them little things there's beets. There's some of that lettuce. I'm going to let it go. Maybe I'll get some seed off of it. It's good though. Good stuff. And I've got a bunch of these totes here. So I went ahead and put me some good dirt in there. Some compost mixed with leaves and extra leaves, that is, and soil, and stuck my radishes in there. So my radishes will be coming up soon. Oh, Mama. What you doing, Mama? What you doing, Mama? Lay down there. You want to lay down. There you go. Everybody gonna take a nap now? We've been out gardening. And I shouldn't have took them or the dogs with me. And guys, here is my ornamental pepper. I had taken one of them out for my sister where she had moved. I wanted to give her a plant of it. These are really pretty. I'm going to save a bunch of seed off of these. There's 4 in here. I just usually throw the seed down in the pot at the end of the year when they start drying up. But they're those ornamental ones that's real small that get red, purple, yellow, orange, all kinds of different colors. They're really pretty. But I'll try to remember. See, it's already blooming. I had some little peppers on it here for too long. I'll try to remember to save a bunch of seed if anybody wants any seed off of that because it does really good and it's very pretty. I'll show you my ornamental peppers as the year goes on so that you can see what it looks like, but it's really pretty. But my fountain's closing back up now. My Christmas cactus decided to give me another set of blooms. It's got buds on it. I guess it would be my Easter buds, which is good. Sometimes they'll do that and sometimes they won't. You never know. Get out of there. Get out of there. I should have never brought these dogs out here to help me do this. Anyway, Lily. Lord, they're wild childs. They're hungry for spring too, I believe. Watch it. She got That's funny. Mine got her hung. Anyway, back to what I was going to do here.